Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to do a temperate bog pot video. I brought them all outside. They're sitting in direct sun now. They haven't made it into the temperate greenhouse yet. I've just been really kind of enjoying them on the back patio here. Yeah, I've had 3 of them. They've been going for quite a few years. We'll go down to the first one and have a look. This year I installed automatic watering in all of them. Man, that's a lifesaver. Keeps everything nice and moist. There's some fairly large rotundifolia right here growing, and there's always a few weeds to be pulled out as well. But yeah, this one has Judith Hindle, a few little typical Venus flytraps, Scarlet Bell, kind of a cool one. These things here, that's what do they call this stuff? Bladderwort, yeah, I forget the name of it. Anyways, pain in the butt, this stuff. But it's going to seed. The name will come back to me. I can't remember what it is. But yeah, so this one's only got really the 3 types in at this point, and just a few other little bog things are growing around. Very natural looking. Lots of leaves and leaf debris, litter, that sort of thing. Moving along here. I think this is Drosera intermedia. I lost the tags for these guys and haven't actually really ID'd them again. I just threw some tags on them and I think they're right. Here's a linearis. I'm sitting in this little bit of moss over here. I could have them backwards, but you can see the difference here. Quite rounded little leaves, not like rotundifolia round, but quite round. And these ones are more like capensis, long sort of thing. Flower spikes coming out on them. Some more just typical Venus flytraps. And this is we'll back up a little bit. This is my hybrid pot. So it's got a bunch of Sarracenia hybrids in, which you guys have probably never seen before on my videos. Of course, you've probably seen them before. But yeah. Nice little, again, typical Venus flytrap. Here's a tag for this guy here. There's a long one. Propria, Leucophila, Bulbosa, cross Cortinii, all red. And it gives those sort of things right here. Very nice looking. I'm just going to keep pulling weeds as we talk, because I might as well do some maintenance while we're in here too. These ferns and everything that's not supposed to be in here turns into a pain in the butt. So you gotta just keep pulling them out. A nice Flava rugelii there. What else do we have down here? These guys are nice. Where's the tag for them? Alata nigra, Cross purpurea vernosa, Cross flava autopurpurea. Hopefully I said that right. Gives you these guys. Quite dark, almost a black lip to them. I like them, they're really nice. Some more of the intermedia, I guess. You can see them catching bugs and curling around stuff. Maybe you can if you're focused. See little bugs on there. Also we got Oreophila Sand Mountain, Cross Rigliana. This is a huge one. It gets very big. Very big. And there seems to be something else right in here too with it. So, a little bit more curved. I don't know what that guy is. I've lost the tag for him. Surprises, surprises. But yeah. I did do a little bit of pollinating this year, so a few little seed pods hopefully have some seeds in them. And moving on to this one here, some more little sundews right in the front. I've got these labeled as linearis, but just glistening in the sun. It's amazing, these temperate ones, how much hot sun they can really take. Another Scarlet Bell in here, Leucophila Tarnock. Another Judith Hindle in here. And there's just a repair I made with some sphagnum moss. Hopefully that'll bounce back and recover. It had a bunch of perlite in that I didn't like, so I took all the perlite out. Look how dry everything gets. Even though it's auto-watered, it gets dry. So yeah, they're doing pretty well. Fly traps and sundews in the front, Saraceni's in the back. And yeah, eventually they will get into my temperate greenhouse, but not right now because they're enjoying the sun and the bugs. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.